Hello, and welcome to the My Academy of Health Excellence and Wellness Works Group presentation of Health Excellence Plus. We don't have to tell you that the American healthcare system today is in turmoil. Programs are out of control, insurance premiums are skyrocketing, and so are out of pocket costs. It's time for you to take back control of your own healthcare. And with Health Excellence Plus, you'll be able to. Health insurance plans fall short of providing the kind of assistance and protection you may need for all aspects of your health care. The best way to control your costs is with a comprehensive, healthy strategy, and that's Health Excellence Plus. The foundation of any program designed to help control medical costs should begin with making an effort to avoid them. And this is accomplished with a wellness program. My Academy of Health Excellence provides a state of the art wellness and engagement platform with all the tools, guidance, and accountability that you'll need to attain or maintain your optimal level of health. And since you can't avoid all medical costs, you'll need to prevent those that you can with a minimal essential coverage program. This insurance component covers 64 preventative services such as annual physicals, mammograms, colonoscopy, labs, and x rays, all at no additional cost to you. And because you can't avoid or prevent all your medical costs, you'll need to manage some of them with a health savings account. A health savings account is an excellent method of saving pre tax money that's available to spend on all medical expenses, including your out of pocket costs, dental expenses, vision, and even alternative treatments. You'll be able to use these funds for a variety of medical expenditures, and you can find them all listed on the IRS website under Health Savings Account Deductions. Now, because you can't avoid, prevent, or manage all of your medical costs, you're going to need to mitigate some of them, and you'll do that with services like telemedicine, member advocacy, and other no cost tools. As an example, using telemedicine instead of going to the emergency room for something as simple as a sore throat or other minor issues, you can speak with a board certified physician and save thousands of dollars and a lot of valuable time. If you need a prescription, it can be called in for you. If you need to find lower priced diagnostic testing, such as MRIs, or better priced labs, or lower priced medication, your member advocate is going to be able to help you at no additional cost to you. And lastly, because you can't avoid, prevent, manage, or mitigate all of your medical costs, you're going to need to contain the rest with medical cost sharing. Medical cost sharing involves a community of like minded, health focused members who've decided to join together and share each other's medical costs. So if you accrue any large medical bills, everyone in the community is there to help you pay for your expenses beyond the portion you've agreed to pay. As you can see, the best way to control all of your health care costs is with a well designed, comprehensive, healthy care strategy. With the Health Excellence Plus program, not only do you have all of these layers of protection built in, but it's also very affordable, unlike the Affordable Care Act. So, regardless of your age, say 30 to 64, and where you choose to live, the price is going to be the same. For an example, as an individual, pricing starts at $249 a month, and for a family, $638 per month. Additionally, you get to choose whether you want to be responsible for the first $500 or $1,000 in terms of your medical needs. With this healthy strategy, you'll have the freedom from health insurance and avoid the tax penalty. Also, there are no networks, so you can actually see any doctor anywhere you want. Yes, even though it sounds too good to be true, it's true. Now, let's talk for a moment about some of the particulars. Health Excellence Plus medical cost sharing component functions on a needs basis. So it may not be for everyone. Also, you'll have a special relationship with Empowering Benefits, the exclusive provider of Health Excellence Plus. With this healthy care strategy, you'll be considered a self paid patient with a backup plan. The contain component of this program does not use the term deductible to describe the portion of medical costs that the member is responsible to pay before costs are shared. Instead, the term is called an initial unshareable amount, or IUA. This amount would pay for any small medical needs you may occur under your maximum IUA as part of a larger need. A large need is defined as any occurrence that causes you to become ill or an accident that causes you to incur medical expenses beyond your initial unshared amount of $500 or $1,000. Medical expenses which exceed $500 or $1,000 require that the member pay the initial unshareable amount before medical cost sharing is applied, and you choose if you're willing to pay the first 500 or 1000 in initial unshared amounts. Once you've paid the IUA portion using your health savings account, the remaining medical expenses are shared at 100% no matter what treatment or therapy is required to resolve that need. Furthermore, after being released from medical care, you have an additional 12 months for that need to remain eligible for sharing. So, should relapses occur during that time, you will not be required to pay the initial unshared amount again. Individual members have a maximum of 3 needs in which they must pay an initial unshared amount annually. No initial unshared amount is required for any need thereafter and is eligible for 100% sharing. The maximum for couples and families is 5 needs. Now, because this is not health insurance as you know it, we want to point out some aspects of Health Excellence Plus that you should be aware of in considering if this program will meet your needs. If in the last 36 months you've been diagnosed with or treated for any condition, that condition will be ineligible for sharing in the first year. In the second year, sharing is limited to $25,000, and in the third year, an additional $25,000 is available for sharing of that condition. All exclusions are removed after the fourth year of membership. Maintenance medications are not shareable expenses. However, we offer several programs available to our members at no additional cost that provide prescriptions at well below retail pharmacy pricing. If you currently take prescription medications on a regular basis, give us a call to see if we can provide affordable pricing. And lastly, if you're receiving a subsidy from the government for your affordable care plan, you may want to calculate your financial risk and your monthly payments to see if Health Excellence Plus makes sense for you. Now, until the Affordable Care Act is repealed or replaced, Health Excellence Plus is exclusively for groups. But we've developed a workaround so you can participate in this group platform as an individual, couple, or family, and therefore benefit from lower pricing that you would get in a group environment. Basically, you become an independent contractor of Empowering Benefits LLC by completing a health risk assessment. This is actually part of our avoid strategy, as it allows you to find out the status of your health so you can decide what you'll do to improve or maintain it. No one else will see the results of this assessment but you. However, we will be able to see that you completed it, and for doing so, we will pay you $25. This technically makes you an employee of Empowering Benefits, and we will generate a 1099 for you. You will also agree to try to find another new member within the next year and every year thereafter that you want to remain a member of Health Excellence Plus. And for that, you will receive $100. In fact, you'll get $100 for any person you refer to us, but the requirement is only one per year to maintain your membership. As long as you receive annual income from empowering benefits, you are eligible for our group platform. So, if you have any questions or want to sign up for Health Excellence Plus and take control of all your medical costs, call Wellness Works Group at 844-994-7687, or you can email us at info@wellnessworksgroup.com. Thank you for watching. We look forward to hearing from you soon.